Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Mohammed Saleh, and let's start this broadcast by taking a quick look as to what is making headlines at this hour. The security has been heightened in Jammu and Kashmir after an exchange of fire between the terrorists and the police in Rajouri and in Udhampur. The Indian Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, hails Operation Sindoor as a shining example of meticulous planning, determined execution as he addresses the Air Warriors on the 93rd Air Force Day. Now, the British Prime Minister Keir Starmer takes a selfie with a disposable camera during an interaction with business leaders at the Taj Mahal Palace in Mumbai. He's on a two-day-long visit to India. And Russia claims its air defense units have destroyed about 53 Ukrainian drones overnight. And organizers of the new Gaza-bound aid flotilla say that Israel intercepted at least 3 of their boats. And Israel has confirmed it has said that the vessels and the passengers are apparently safe and have been transferred to the Israeli port and will be deported. And Tata Capital's much anticipated $1.7 billion initial public fund offer, which is India's largest IPO this year, was fully subscribed on its last day of bidding, driven primarily by strong support from institutional investors.